Alright, now we've got another early flight. Hopefully I'll get a little time before the sun comes up. It's about to pop over the hills here any minute, but let me get going. A-10. Sun's about to come up, as you can see. We're going to go.
Timer cleared.
And since I'm paranoid, I need to go double check my satellite. Because I didn't. So let's check that and then we're going to go. Sun will probably be up by then, but oh well. So let's look and see here. Satellite is on. We're good to go. All right. Here we go.
Gear up. Gear down.
Damn nose gear. It's getting stuck.
Gear up.
No, nose gear didn't move at all.
Gear down. Gear up.
Nose gear still isn't moving.
Gear down. Gear up.
There we go. Still didn't go. What the
Time
heck?
remaining
Okay, I'm
3
getting annoyed with
minutes.
this gear. Gear's still hanging up.
Gear down.
Might have to take that light or move it or something. Let's see.
Gear up. Gear down. Gear up.
Oh, still hanging up. What the hell? Okay. Let's have to fly with it down.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I gotta see why it's hanging up, or I don't know. Anyway, something in there that's getting in the way that I gotta move out of the way. Come on, there we go.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Sun's up there. Should be down here any minute.
30 seconds.
So let's
Gear
work on
down.
that now. Make sure the gear comes down. Yes, gear does come down, so I gotta work on fixing that.
Take off flaps. 10, 9, 8. Landing flaps 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
There we go. I want to figure out what's up with that gear. It's cool. 2 flights before the sun came up. Not bad.
Flaps up.
What the heck is going on with this gear? Alright, let's go see. Alright, so had a crash a while back. There's the sun coming up. Crashed a while back, and then it started doing weird stuff with my gear. I thought I'd figured it out.
Gear up. Gear down. Gear up.
See, it's working now. So why isn't it working?
Gear down.
Let's try it right side up.
Gear up.
Huh. Wonder why it's not going up every time. Oh, it's gonna have to work for now. Yep.